Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share something that completely changed the way I trade, and honestly, it's the reason I've been able to see consistent profits in the Forex market. It's called the Thunder Force Forex System, and if you've ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or just tired of inconsistent results, this might be exactly what you need. Now I know what you're probably thinking: another Forex system promising the world. But what caught my attention with Thunder Force is how straightforward and beginner-friendly it is. It's built for traders at all levels, even if you've never placed a trade before. You get color-coded candlestick signals, on-chart alerts, and crystal-clear entry and exit points. No guesswork, no complicated setups. This system works on all MT4 platforms, all currency pairs, and all time frames. And yes, it even performs during sideways markets. The built-in algorithm identifies high-probability trades and manages your risk with smart stop-loss and take-profit levels. So you're not just entering random trades, you're following a proven system used by professional traders with over 20 years of experience. One of the best parts? You don't have to sit at your screen all day. Thunder Force does the heavy lifting, sending alerts, marking trades, and letting you focus on execution, and the results speak for themselves. We're talking 85% win rates and real verified profits. It's powerful, it's simple, and it's designed to make you more consistent. If you want to learn more about Thunder Force Forex System, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.